Oh God, I'm not putting this on YouTube. I can imagine him right now.
It's a badass car.
Yeah, too bad you're never gonna get to drive it.
Brian said I can drive it anytime.
Is that what he said?
Yeah.
I don't think that's what he said.
He would have never told me where the keys are at.
They're in the ignition. You don't have to like underneath the seat in the shop. How does that make any sense?
Does not mean you can drive it.
Alex.
Yes, sir.
Today is the day you become a man.
Why is that?
Because you get to drive Clifford.
I heard I was going to be towing.
With a trailer attached. You can do it. Believe me. Let's go.
I thought we were supposed to do it with this one.
No, this one can't do it. Here's what we're doing. My dad has a ton of cars, like an obscene amount of cars. He just has too many and they're just sitting around. So the plan is to go steal one and drive it around. Because ever since I sold the Z06, I need something in my life to fill that void.
Need a street car.
I need a... No, I have a streetcar already. What is that?
My shaft.
Alright, so the gate was open, so we just let ourselves in. And I don't even know why I'm playing like we're stealing this thing. We're taking it. Look at that silver. Look at it. Look at it. Excuse me. What's it gonna cost to rent this car?
It's gonna cost a Bullet W6.
A bullet? I don't know if it's worth a bullet. So here's the plan. This is why we came to get this car. We're gonna do a couple things to it. Just some minor maintenance stuff. Basically, gotta fix an exhaust leak and just look after it because the car needs to be driven. Let's get out of the showroom and get it home. I love this car. This lighting doesn't do it justice either. We need to turn these yellow lights off because there's silver in it.
I've never been the one who's worried, always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free.
I really love this car. If something ever happened to the Bullet and we had to completely revamp to a new race car, I would definitely have to tell my dad what up. This is how clean this car is. I mean, the buckles still have the plastic over them. All the mats have plastic over them. I mean, the interior is just super clean on it. What a great day. Great day to drive such a great machine.
Thinking about myself and myself only. I've been like that since I was a kid. I've always put my feet wherever I want to. Before I saw who I could be, kept thinking, where did I go wrong? Then realizing where I do come from. What's in how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. Cause I was made
basically, there's nothing to do right now. We're waiting on some materials for the Bullet. I'm gonna go ahead and tinker with this thing, and it needs some odds and ends fixed, and it needs to be driven, and I know just the guy. So that's it for this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe, because I got more coming, more Firebird, more Bullet, more everything. Oh man, it's got AC. I was driving around with no AC.